So today I'm going to be cutting Beast, aka Chris's hair. Alright, and I'm just going to show you what I do. I'm not professionally trained, but I cut my own hair. You might as well can tell from my bangs. Yeah, so let's get started.
So this is my hair before. Crazy, long, and ridiculous.
Okay.
There's beauty.
So I'm just going to comb it out, going down on the sides. Try to make sure it's all even. And then brush the hair that he likes forward.
Anything you guys can do at home for DIY, you know, haircuts and things. Save yourself a little bit of money if you have the resources to do so.
Alright, so I'm going to be using, we're not sponsored, but I'm going to be using this Oyster.
Oyster.
We're going to be using this razor.
Oyster razor, trimmer, buzzer, whatever you want to call it. We got it at CVS. It was pretty cheap.
We got it at Sally's Beauty.
Oh, we got it at Sally's Beauty?
Yeah.
I thought we got that one at CVS, but we got that at Sally's Beauty. I don't know if they're a mainstream store or anything, but we got it at Sally's Beauty, and Tyler's here to visit us. And let's get this thing started.
Alright, so what I do is I have the 4.5 on the buzzer, and I make the thing very long. I can't tell, but I just start to going up.
And it helps if you're getting your haircut to move your head in the direction that the person wants you to. Some people have a very stiff head. I know because my aunt owns a salon, but a lot of people kind of just like keep their head stiff, and it's really hard for the, what do you call it, salonist or hairstylist, beautician, to get your hair the way that you want it if you won't cooperate and let your head be loose. And
I guess.
I'm trying to film Mug America here, and let the beautician, you know, work with what you got for hair.
Alright. I'm just gonna comb through. I hope Brad Mondo doesn't watch this. For people who like saying fails, I am not going to fail.
She's been cutting my hair for like 2 years now, and I only complained once, and that was like the first time she ever did it. She literally just, I asked her to do it one day and she did it. And she figured it out all on her own, and just goes to show that pretty much anybody can. She's really good at makeup and stuff, but she never cut hair before other than her own bangs and things. And all of a sudden she cut my hair and it came out perfect. So anybody can do this.
Want to make sure the hair is in place, so you want to make it fade nicely and blend nicely so we don't lose each other. And I just like lift off.
I was gonna say every now and then just try to make sure I'm in focus because my arm's just out here.
So I just go up and I make sure like I try to like trim the hair up top, not fully buzz it.
And we'll get ourselves a better setup soon, guys. We're just starting out here, and we're working off of our phones and our arms. We'll get ourselves a tripod and some good cameras. I have a GoPro and stuff, but that's more for like action shots and whatnot, not necessarily for filming a video like this, so our phones will have to do.
Right, I'm just brushing out whatever loose hairs there are to make sure that it's all even. Sometimes I just like take the comb just to pull down the hair to blend it out. Because nobody wants their hair to look extreme.
Yes, definitely not. That was like 2002 Chris when my mom had my hair cut.
Alright, so I just wanted to show you what the back of his head looks like. Nice and even. I just gotta do the bottom to shape it up. And yeah, I just gotta clean it all up. So what I like to do is brush some of the hair forward and some to the sides just to get it evenly. Tyler's
I missed them.
being crazy. I just like to lift up just to give him just a little bit of trim of what he already has. I'm lefty and I'm not wearing scissors right.
Oh, look at my hair. I've never actually been able to see myself while I'm getting a haircut like this. That's pretty cool.
I'm just matching it up to what I already cut.
And even if the hair isn't going directly over my face or anything, I always close my eyes here because you never want that one hair to go in your eyeball that you're just like, oh, I can't get it out. You're picking at your eye for like an hour.
Not irritates it more.
Yeah, so just whenever I keep forgetting the name of it, beautician is in front of you or on top of your head, that's when you should just close your eyes. They usually tell you to, or they'll hold their hand over your forehead, but I just close my eyes instinctively.
Just trying to blend it out over here. I'm doing an angle method. That's what I do. Sometimes I just like to brush it backwards so I can make it flow nicer. You can hear Tyler upstairs. So I cut it in angles to make it feather it. Okay.
And yes, guys, I wear a lot of hats, so I probably am thinning if you see that.
Just to get the stragglers. He did wet his hair before this, that's why it's a little crazy and he didn't brush it after he wet it. Looking a little crazy there, Chris.
Well, that's why I need a haircut, because my hair looks crazy whenever I don't have a haircut.
I do have beauticians in my family and I've watched when I've gotten haircuts. So that's kind of where I get it from my experience from. I also take my younger brother for his haircuts and I've watched him cut his hair. But we like to use the scissors on him instead of the clip, the buzzer.
Actually, I've heard some people call it clippers.
Yeah, clippers. Alright, I like to pull from the side. Just even it out. These haven't had a haircut in a while, so if you think I'm cutting too much, I'm actually not, because his hair does flow a certain way.
And I do like my hair on the shorter side anyway.
His hair is like curling up at the end. Maybe you should get your brother's haircut.
Yeah, no.
His older brother has long hair. And I'm no professional. I'm doing the disclaimer again. I'm not professionally trained. I'm just a way to save money.
guys didn't see is that she let me go check the length. I thought it was just a little too choppy still, so she's gonna take some more off. And she just cleaned up the floor a little bit because she's gonna be walking around me. So it is good to periodically start sweeping the floor and stuff, just so you don't have a hair mess while you're walking around, whoever you're cutting hair for and whatnot.
It just made him wet it a little more because it was a little too choppy for him. There are some like scraggler hairs that I just like to just shorter. Didn't get wet. They didn't stay wet.
Of course they didn't go it.
Just soaked his whole head and didn't get wet.
Give you a whole like head massage while you're doing that. So I actually like that part. When I used to go to my aunt's salon, she'd always have someone do that for me, and it feels so good.
Just brushing it back just to check the length of all the hairs. Because you know, when it's taller than the rest of them, then it's uneven. I'm just gonna shorten this side a little bit more to match the other side. And after that, then do shape up.
My hair the same way as I always do anymore because I started wearing a lot of hats and it kind of made my hair thin and not as, I guess, coarse as it used to be. It used to be way easy to style, now it's kind of hard to style, so I kind of play with it. Depends on what kind of hair day I'm having. Some days it's a hat day.
The buzzer cannot get these hairs undone.
I missed a little bit of it, but we'll get that. Your phone's at 5%. Oh no.
I told you. Okay, so now I'm gonna do the shape up. I'm gonna do it nice and slow so you can see it at first. I'm just gonna go straight and like take a straight line.
You want to be looking as far down as possible for this part.
Yeah. Just wanna make sure everything's even. Maybe get some of the back, just to make sure there's no loose hairs. Just make it even as you can. With the scissor did not. Can you turn your face towards the stairs? Thank you.
guys, so that was it. I'm looking spiffy. She did a really good job. And I always appreciate what she does for me.
Thank you, baby. I'm glad you enjoy it.
Alright guys, so don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and click the bell for notifications for when we upload. And our new Instagram will be linked in the description.
Yep. Please follow us. Thank you.
Peace out.